Okay, I'll tell you what this grip is. It's an internal precision grip, and it's probably a grip you would use on a screwdriver as well, but it works well on a squeegee handle, and you can see I'm pretty well gripping because it's round to keep it stable. So here I've converted this wagtail, and the only thing I've done to it has put a 20-degree angle there and the square lock. I cut it off there so it's the same length. To put it on the end without doing that would have made it quite a long handle. But as you can see, it's very light to hold. You got plenty of control over it. So I'll just show you how it works on the glass. So okay, I'll show you how it goes. Put a little bit more soap on this so you can see what's happening. And I'm just doing to show you how it works when you can hold the handle loose, not loosely, but in a more natural grip. And you're not that restricted when you're doing these movements. And well, I suppose, well, that's about it.